What do the investor who sleeps peacefully and the one who lives in constant anxiety about their money have in common? The difference isn't capital, but the knowledge of a method that transforms financial risks into tangible profit opportunities. A secret that artificial intelligence has not only discovered, but has perfected to the point of being provable. Get ready, because today we will show you how AI can eliminate your financial fear and turn uncertainty into prosperity. Welcome to Financial Future, the space where artificial intelligence becomes your compass for navigating the complex world of finance. For years, the fear of uncertainty, market crashes, or wrong decisions has paralyzed millions of investors. But the era of financial anxiety is over. Today, we will reveal how AI not only helps you identify and mitigate those risks, but teaches you to transform them into demonstrable gains, dissolving fear and building unshakable confidence in your economic future. Prepare to say goodbye to financial fear. Fear, that primal emotion, is the silent enemy of every investment. It drives us to panic sell when the market drops, to buy out of euphoria when it rises, and to miss opportunities due to analysis paralysis. The statistics don't lie. Most investment decisions driven by fear or greed end in significant losses. The problem isn't the market. It's our neurobiological response to it. The amygdala, the part of our brain that processes fear, can override logic, leading us to irrational decisions. Wall Street knows this and often uses it to its advantage. How can you shield yourself from this psychological trap that steals your sleep and your wealth? This is where artificial intelligence not only analyzes data, but reprograms your relationship with risk. AI processes uncertainty as a set of variables to be managed, not as a threat. It identifies patterns in volatility, quantifies risk with pinpoint accuracy, and offers you strategies based on irrefutable data, not emotions. By having access to this information and to systems that act with flawless logic, your brain, wired for the anticipation of reward, releases dopamine not for a reckless risk, but for the certainty of intelligent management. The neuromarketing of trust is activated. AI allows you to feel secure in the chaos, turning that risk aversion into an engine for demonstrable gains. It's the end of financial anxiety and the beginning of total control. Predictive Risk Quantification, PRQ. The first strategy to turn risks into gains is predictive risk quantification, or PRQ. AI doesn't just tell you an asset is risky, it calculates the probability of loss, the potential magnitude, and the impact on your portfolio with pinpoint accuracy, using billions of simulations. Therefore, each risk ceases to be a nebulous threat and becomes a manageable numerical factor. This allows you to make informed, not emotional decisions. Automatic Risk Adaptation Strategies, RAS. The second and crucial are Automatic Risk Adaptation Strategies, or RAS. When AI detects an imminent risk, it doesn't just alert you. It automatically executes micro-adjustments in your portfolio, reducing exposure, increasing liquidity, or opening hedging positions. But is this really applicable to any type of investment? We'll explain with a practical example in strategy number 6. Algorithmic Volatility Arbitrage, AVA. Third, Algorithmic Volatility Arbitrage, or AVA. AI seeks out and exploits inefficiencies caused by sudden changes in market volatility. It identifies assets that deviate from their fair value due to widespread panic or euphoria, allowing you to buy cheap in fear and sell high in overvaluation. This way, the fluctuations that terrify the majority become your opportunities for profit. Detection of gray swans and opportunities. The fourth secret strategy is the detection of gray swans and their opportunities. Unlike totally unpredictable black swans, gray swans are rare events that leave small traces or warning signs. AI, with its massive processing power, identifies these minimal signals and their possible consequences, transforming a potential threat into an opportunity to position yourself before anyone else. So the fear of others becomes your advantage. Capital optimization. Under stress, co-use. The fifth is capital optimization under stress, or co-use. In high-tension or crisis scenarios, AI reallocates your capital to the most resilient assets with the greatest recovery potential, minimizing the impact of downturns and accelerating your portfolio's recovery. This ensures your money not only survives, but is positioned to grow even in adverse environments. Therefore, your wealth is not just protected, it is strengthened in adversity. Profit validation with quantum. Backtesting. The sixth strategy is profit validation with quantum backtesting. To prove the effectiveness of these gains, AI doesn't just test strategies with historical data. It simulates them across millions of randomly generated future scenarios, validating their robustness and profitability potential under extreme conditions. This means that every gain AI helps you achieve is not a fluke, but the result of a rigorously proven method. It's the evidence that eliminates all doubt or fear. Self-learning systems for resilience, SLSR. And the seventh, but most powerful, is the implementation of self-learning systems for resilience, or SLSR. AI doesn't just apply these strategies. It continuously learns and adapts to new risks and market dynamics. It identifies new correlations, adjusts its predictive models, and refines its ability to transform risks into gains. This cycle of constant improvement ensures that your goodbye to financial fear is permanent. That is why your wealth doesn't just grow. It becomes immune to uncertainty, driven by an intelligence that never stops evolving. With these 7 strategies, artificial intelligence offers you true financial freedom, the freedom to invest without fear. You no longer have to react to panic or market uncertainty. AI gives you total control, transforming every risk into a tangible and provable profit opportunity. What once seemed like a utopia is now an accessible reality for you. Saying goodbye to financial fear is no longer just an aspiration. It's a strategic decision you can make today. AI doesn't just protect you, it empowers you to thrive in any scenario. The era of fear-based investing is over. If this analysis on how AI turns risks into demonstrable gains has given you the confidence you were looking for, the next step is crucial. Subscribe to Financial Future right now and activate notifications. This way, you'll ensure you receive the most advanced strategies for fearless investing every week directly in your feed. We don't just show you how to eliminate anxiety, we deliver the artificial intelligence tools for unshakable prosperity. Join the community that is already conquering uncertainty. If you want to strengthen your financial security and learn to transform every challenge into an opportunity, we invite you to explore more content on our channel. At Financial Future, we turn knowledge into your most valuable asset. If this video brought you value, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and leave us your questions and comments. Your interaction helps us grow and continue bringing you the best content for your financial future.